Again today, and what we've done already is we replaced the throttle boot that we JB welded last week because we want this car to make it down to Ocean City, Maryland. So the car's running good now. So the next thing, we're back to trying to get all the lights working. We got a new socket here for this corner light, so we're gonna put this on, and we put an LED bulb over here for this one, and we got the fender lights working as well for the turn signals, and that's where we're at. So now we're replacing the steering wheel on the E36. We just disconnected the battery, so hopefully the airbag doesn't play on us. We disconnected 2 of the Torxes from the back of the steering wheel. Oh, I wonder if there's something in these little ones. Is that where it feels like it's held on by too?
I don't think so.
They're really helpful. I think the wheel's already loose.
That's what I'm thinking.
No puller needed.
No.
Here's the...
Probably.
Alright, so we just got the steering wheel off. We disconnected the airbag sensor, the connector. It's just this one tab here, and that pulled this off. This really ugly steering wheel. And now we have the Kyostar hub. Which I guess we're gonna figure out how this goes. So we've been trying to debate if we should run this washer or not. Want to explain?
So there's a little like groove in here, and on the actual hub or the nut itself, there's a little like hump on it. So this nut washer goes right over it and sits on it, so the actual hub will sit flat to it. So I think we're going to be leaving that on.
Yeah. That's looking pretty good.
Yeah, and then just send
between
the
that and the bolt going in.
Yeah, once we put the bolt in, it'll sit down flush.
You got the gun over there? Yep. You know what to do, sir. Gooch. That definitely went down a lot better.
Oh yeah, now it's sitting flush.
That looks good. Alright, so now NRG time. We're not even gonna try with the horn.
Not worth it.
We should be giving it more effort, but
Not worth the headache.
nah. That's okay.
Alright, so now we just need the bolts for
Yeah,
this.
where did we put the
Hardware.
just had them. They're probably on my seat. Yep. Yeah. What are they, allowance? I think so. So we just got the steering wheel. Well, we took the steering wheel back off to get the horn button into position because it took a little bit of finagling and breaking of some of the clips to get it to fit in there, but we got it to sit pretty flush. The horn's not gonna work, but we're not too worried about that. Isn't that right?
That's what you got loud cars for.
Yeah, exactly. Stick the clutch in and give it a rev. Definitely makes the interior look a lot better. Do you want? Yeah. Here, I'll do this one. I can access it. The white quick release looks really nice from NRG, and it's the Kyostar hub, the short hub, so it doesn't stick out towards the driver quite as much. I'm pretty short, so I'm happy to have that.
Oh, you gotta, yeah. Hell yeah, boys.
Looks nice.
Master Tech
What do you think of the short hub? How it's like a low profile one? Can you tell, or does it just feel normal?
It feels normal, but you could definitely tell that it's.
Does it go ding, or is it just no, right? Because
It clips
that
like
spinner, right?
I hate quick releases.
I kind of do too. Yeah.
No, what is it? No, it's a ding.
No ding, but.
That's okay.
Here we go. We got the Momo steering wheel, NRG quick release, and the Kyostar hub. We just put the shift works, I think. Right? Some shift works. This boot. Yeah, we gotta change the shift knobs, but we'll get there. Boot's looking nice. The steering wheel really helps the interior, even though it's pretty shot. We really need seats. Look at this. We'll get seats soon. What happened to the RS5?
Rob. Should I get tow home, dude?